Welcome back to a brand new video, guys, and welcome to Razor. We're going to build a bird house and a dog house. So, let's get into today's video. Alright, so our first things for the dog house, we're going to want to get some oak planks. We're going to want to get an item frame, one bone, one item frame, 20 oak planks, possibly more. We'll just do 32 oak planks. And then get some red carpets. The carpet, oh, there it is. And now that's basically all you really need. And we also need a dog, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that. A wolf. Okay, there's my pet. And now you're going to go ahead and make this like that. And then you're gonna want to go like that, that, and then that. No, you're gonna want to do this. You're gonna want to do this. And get rid of that. Get rid of that. Sorry guys, this is going terribly wrong. Oh my gosh, I'm messing up a lot, guys. But I had to delete that, okay. And then we're gonna just do the exact same thing right here. Cover this up. Guys, too thin. So, I want to do that. Do that. More of this. Do that, do that. Slide them in here, just like this. Barky. Let him sit down. Boom. There's his beautiful doghouse. It's literally that simple. And you can do it in literally seconds. And now let's make the bird house. So the bird house is actually going to be a lot more complicated. But it's definitely going to be, I wouldn't say nicer, but it would be cool to make a bird house. So we're going to first want to grab the oak fence I just grabbed, and then we're going to want to get the dark oak trapdoor. And then you're also going to want to get some iron bars. That's basically it. And then we'll place the bird inside. So we'll get a bird. Where are the dang birds, man? I need to add more type of birds because we don't have enough birds. We only have a parrot, bro. It's the only bird that we actually have. I'll be right back. I was sneezing really bad. Really harmed me right there, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna want you to go up 3, 1, 2, 3. Place this just like so. We're going to want to go 1. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. This is gonna be hard. The way we're actually gonna have to do this, we're actually gonna have to go 1, 2. And we're gonna want to go like that, because the bird's just gonna sit like right there, right there. Okay, let's sit right here. With nothing letting them escape. So you're gonna want to go up here like this. So that cages them in. And then that way they're kind of stuck. They have really nowhere to go. If they wanted to fall at the edge, that's why you're going to need to do this now. Cage them in. For those bird lovers out there, we're not committing murder. Just doing a little bird cage. that's all. Just a little bird cage. I can agree, it looks pretty ugly. That's why we're gonna want to get rid of that. You know, well, I want to take that back in. But if I were you, I would get rid of these corners. And yeah, place them in. Go up some, crouch, place them in, and they're stuck. Look at that, a beautiful bird cage for your little bird, not looking too bad. If you want to add a little bit of decor, take a lantern and just go bop, 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 bop. And I also have another idea. Go like bop, 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 bop. And then you can get rid of these. Here one. That way you have some hanging lanterns and you got your beautiful bird cage with some lights and some nice decor. So that is all for today. And that is a tutorial. And stay fun, stay always. Make sure to subscribe and like. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out.